Okay, we're talking about a 6-piece, look, I ripped the box when I opened this, but don't worry about that. A 6-piece travel laundry bag set. Look this up on Amazon, you can see what the picture is. It's $19.99 on Amazon. It's got 6 different pieces in here. 6 different pieces, 6 different bags. So when you're loading up your luggage here, so when you're packing to go, there's a bag for your socks, a bag for your toiletries, a bag for your whatever else you got there. What other kind of stuff do you have when you travel? I'm not really good at that. You got a lot of stuff, and each has its own bag, so you stick it in your suitcase nice and neat, so when you get there, everything's loaded up. Now, here's some advice I have for you men, and this is important in traveling, and it also, it has something to do with these travel bags. Here's what you do if you never want to pack and you want your wife to take care of everything, which I don't pack in every trip. You offer the first time, let's say you're newlyweds, you're in love, kissing, hey Pooh Bear, what's going on, that kind of stuff. And you offer, hey dear Tigger, I'm going to go and I'm going to do the packing for us. And what you do is you mess everything up. Here's how you do it. You go in there, you pack her only 2 pair of underwear. You're going for a week, 2 pair of underwear. Her favorite shoes, only pack 1 of them. Forget the toothbrush, tweezers, whatever kind of stuff she needs. Oh, I'm sorry, dear. I will guarantee you, this worked for me, you will never pack again. Your wife will pack for you for the rest of your marriage, whether it lasts 3 years or 50, you will never have to pack again. I'm recommending it. Don't tell her where you got it from. My idea. But it helps, though, for your wife to pack with these great bags. It's, as I said, laundry, shoes, it's got a bag for everything here. 6 bags. So in other words, your crap's not all stuck in your suitcase, it's all stuck in little bags. Same thing when you go home, and also the large bag then becomes a laundry bag. It all works out. This cost, as we just said, $19.99. You can get all 6 of these bags for $11.99. I can't put this back in. I'm going to put that over here.